water.
You see the female that is coming slowly. That's
Are they afraid of the croc?
No.
Okay. They just step on them. More babies. Oh boy. I wouldn't want to be in the elephant stampede coming down the hill, that's for sure. Oh, one's on his knees. Uh-oh, he fell.
Yeah.
Okay, he made it.
Okay, now you see that female, the big female with crooked egg. She's just walking straight to a croc. Oh, she's been spooked. She's moving.
What?
She almost stepped on the crocodile.
Yeah.
And then, ooh, pulled back.
Wait, what about the one though that's laying down?
She's just happy. She's just
Oh, she
trying to-
is. Oh,
yeah,
good.
she's just trying to do.
I thought she hurt her leg. Ciao, little baby elephant. Oh my gosh, look at her. Jesse, did you get the happy laying down elephant?
Yeah, just enjoying a dust.
The crocodile's thinking, you are not who I was expecting.
Yeah.
Now, would the wildebeest ever come down here when they're like that or no?
Yeah.
They would? Oh.
The snoring.
Trevor.
Trevor. We're watching like 25 elephants. Maybe 20. Oh gosh, no more are coming out of the woods. Big elephant coming right behind the babies. More babies coming.
Wow, look at that tiny one.
There's almost 25 elephants.
Somebody's going to end up stepping on the croc again.
Yeah, somebody's gonna walk to the crocodile again.
This is a big one.
There we go. There we go. There we
Oh.
go. Let's see how it's gonna react.
Is there a croc near them?
It's laying flat in the water. Right on the bellies.
Right on the banks? Oh, I don't see him.
Right there on the left.
Yeah, there we
Is
go.
it-
There we go.
Relative to you.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. See it?
Step on his head.
The female that just went to the left. There's
Yes.
a croc
Oh,
right there.
God, yes. Looks like a rock. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Yeah, I don't see it. It's a bit far away.
It's
To the far left.
the second elephant from
Yeah.
the left.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh, that rock moved.
You see? It's just been spooked.
Mm-hmm. Now all of them are a little spooked.
And now everyone is frisked.
Mm-hmm. I mean, would a crocodile ever bite his trunk in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not worth it. The other ones didn't get the memo.
Look, they're all crawling down on their knees. Look at the
The baby.
crawling over.
Yeah, it's for the babies.
The baby's rolling in the dirt. Oh my gosh.
Now look at this old female with this kind of crooked tusk, enjoying it, cooling herself.
She has huge tusks.
See what she's doing?
Yeah.
The elephant on on the left is like checking it out
Yeah. You see?
very carefully.
Yippee.
No,
Yeah,
Whee!
Oh, look at
Trucking
this.
down
Oh, the babies look very delicate.
look at the one on the right trying to climb up. Get some grub.
That's a crocodile right in front of it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they stepped on a different one.
What do you get a picture of?
Not that step behind, but jumping away. Oh my god, that little one's going.
Poor little guy.
Dad, I didn't know where the thing was. How was I supposed to take a picture of it?
Look
I didn't know where it was either.
at the little ones
On the top of the other
on
one.
top of the other one.
It's an elephant party.
Getting closer and closer to that
Now it's
crocodile.
time to cross.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the croc's gonna move, I think. Is this where they come out? No, they're coming out right here.
Over. You see them?
Yeah.
Looks like they're gonna come up with this.
Is that a hippo?
Those are up there.
Yeah.
Look at her funny tusk.
Oh, look at that tiny baby.
Mhm. He's coming. She's coming. It's like 25.
Right. Jesse, pictures? It's a cool one. It's a cool sighting.
She's looks like she's scanning for predators.
She's probably the matriarch.
Uh-huh.
She's trying to ensure that
Safe.
it's safe for everyone. I see?
Yeah, look at that. They're all waiting.
And you know, she's the most experienced female in the herd.
Uh-huh. Look at her scanning around. That's really interesting.
Wow.
And the other one's staying back like 30 feet.
And look at the young ones. All the tiny ones are kind of like they're right in the middle of the herd.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Look at this, like swimming. He's so tiny. Well, one is like totally submerged.
A baby?
Yeah. But they can swim, right?
Yeah, they're good. They like it.
Good job, elephants.
going away. He's just kind of waiting for everyone to make it across.
Mm-hmm. That last guy must be the sweeper.
Oh, there's one all the way out there.
A baby?
No.
Oh, he's like rolling in the water?
Yeah.
It's completely.
The babies are all black because they got completely submerged. Oh, that other one is rolling. I can't see him from where I am, Trev.
Elephants crossing.
Oh my gosh. Well, there's a couple of them rolling around.
We're gonna have to spend more time there. Do they like? Really love it. Man.
Oh, look.
Look at the one to the
Do you see
right.
that? Yeah, it's running over its head.
Oh, he's got a toupee.
Here comes some.
Just scratching.
Scratching her chin.
No, she's
She's scratching her bum. Wow.
Looks like Dumbo.
Jesse, you see that one? That guy? On the right? With his wreath on his head?
That one is still underwater.
Just his trunk is sticking up out of the water.
I like how they're half and half colored because of the wetness. Look at the baby. Oh. Here comes Winifred.
Unfortunately, the other chief is on a lot of these pictures of me.
That's okay.
Good point.
Look at the babies. Look at the three of them together.
Mm-hmm. And another one. And another one. 5 babies. And then there was the other front baby, so there's 6 babies. Oh, look, he's trying to get the green stuff off his head that he just put on there. Oh, dude. You're in trouble.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh my gosh, he's totally coated that guy.
Like the one coming out.
Yeah. These half wet elephants. one.
And look at this. They'll completely submerge
Yeah.
themselves.
There's two of them.
Yeah, the two of them.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Last one.